What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a 3-in-1 hair, makeup, and outfit. Get ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. So first off, I was sent this hair from So Good Hair, and the link to the hair will all be down below. This wig was so beautiful though. So beautiful. It's a bob. Of course, it's bob season. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. Came with adjustable straps. They gave you a wig cap, an elastic band, everything you need to do this wig. This wig also, they said the knots were bleached, but I went in and bleached the knots again because it just wasn't bleached enough for my taste, so I went in and re-bleached the knots. But this wig also came pre-plucked, and they actually did a pretty good job. I plucked it a little more like on the sides, but they actually did a pretty good job plucking this wig. So this is very beginner friendly. Y'all know me and these wigs sometimes don't get along, so this wig was very beginner friendly and affordable, and I loved it. So after I size up the wig for placement on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and attach it using my Ghost Bond glue. So this is my first time, I think, using this Ghost Bond glue, and it's actually really good. I like it so much better than the Got To Be glued. So I will probably use this from now on as I'm getting more into lace front wigs. But it just holds so well. And what I'm doing here is actually, I'm going to glue down the front first, and then I'm going to do the sides. I'm not going to do it all at once like I have done in the past, and this seemed to help me be able to control it better, and it also helped with placement. So another tip with the glue is making sure it dries clear before you actually place the hair on top of it. I waited about as long as I could, and then I just went ahead and put the wig on top of it, but try to make sure the glue dries clear. It ended up drying clear later, but it just makes life a lot easier if you let it dry clear before you put the wig on top of it. So here you see me using just a rat tail comb, and I'm just pressing down the wig to make sure it stays in place. You don't want to use your fingers because the oil from your fingers will make that area white and it just won't look good. Trust me, I've made that mistake. So try to use like a rat tail comb or something like that to flatten out the wig and just make sure it's placed. And another thing for this wig that I did differently also was I cut the lace after I glued the wig down. That also seemed to help me with placement and just being able to control where I put the wig. So just another tip, some things I'm learning. Now this is the part of wig, I guess lace front wigs, that can sometimes be tricky, and that's those ear flaps. So you need to cut off some of the hair above your ear flap so it doesn't interfere, it doesn't look bulky. Now for this ear, I cut off way too much hair, so just be careful. Like that side I really messed up on, and you're gonna see my face. I'm like, whoa, this is way too much hair. But I did do better on the other side. Like as you can see, that's a whole chunk of hair. Don't cut off that much hair because that was just too much. But I got it together on the other side. So just be really careful when you're doing that, because once you cut it, girl, it's gone. After those ear tabs are gone, the last step is just to tie everything down with a scarf or something, just to make sure it has a chance to firmly stick on the lace. Like you need the wig to stay on your head so it doesn't fall off somewhere in the wind. Okay, so just make sure you put a scarf or something around your edges. And now let's get into the makeup. So I just decided to do a simple makeup look using the new Juvia's Place foundation and all the drama that's surrounding that. If you guys haven't seen my live where we kind of all dived in and talked about our opinions and thoughts, then let me know. But this was filmed before that. So yeah, I'm using the Uoma Beauty, I think that's how you say it, Uoma Beauty Stay Woke Concealer. And I just tried to use a lot of new products in this video. And the makeup look came out really good. Like my face was beats. Okay, very beats. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch. It's my same easy makeup routine that you guys have seen a million times, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy. this was the full makeup look, and I just love these simple looks. This is like literally all I've been wearing lately. No eyeshadow, simple face, nude lips, and it just looks so good. So let's go ahead and take this scarf off and see what these edges looking like. And as you can see, honey, I think I did a pretty good job, okay? Right here, I'm just putting some face powder on the lace just to make it blend in a little bit better. But honey, look at those edges, honey. What lace? What lace, okay? I was so proud of myself this day, y'all, because I look back at my other lace fronts that I tried. Child, that shit was looking a mess. So this actually looks pretty good. Like, you could actually wear this lace front out, okay? So it makes it even better when you use a hot comb. That's what I do with all of my wigs. I try to use this hot comb on the parting space just to flatten everything out, and it just looks so much better. Now let's head right into the outfit. So it's just a really simple outfit. I really was going nowhere this day. So I'm wearing this Biggie t-shirt that I got from Target. It was like $12.99. I'm wearing these cute ripped jeans from Old Navy. These were also super affordable, and that was my whole look, y'all. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was fun, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.